नमस्कार दोस्तों। क्या आपके ऊपर मल्टीपल लोन्स हो गए हैं? क्या रिकवरी एजेंट आपको दिन में बार बार कॉल्स कर रहे हैं? क्या आपकी फैमिली को डरा रहे हैं? क्या आपको बार बार लीगल नोटिस आ रहे हैं? तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप हमसे संपर्क करें। मैं और हमारी टीम आपका पूरा सहयोग करेगी इस स्टेप से बाहर निकलने में। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
Literally, one of the regional head visited at my home, and physically I have showed him the documents and everything. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
condition I am suffering with, and he
Mm-hmm.
literally said no, that we cannot do anything. I told him, see, before taking the loan, you don't know what is the prediction of your future,
I
right?
know, I know, I know that. I know that. That is what I was
Yeah,
just going to tell you the same thing. The prediction is never, means sometimes it is good,
never been
sometimes it
done.
is bad. Yes.
I have gone through with the same situation with multiple banks and financial institution, and they all said
Mm-hmm.
no. So there is no any positive response from any of the financial institution. I have did the same thing what
Try
you are telling me.
exactly.
So see, I
Yes.
have given you the response. You can kindly put a remark from
I
your
have
side.
remarked it out over here.
Hmm.
That you will not be able to pay the payment in the next 12 months. You are unable to do the payment out.
Hmm. So what do you put RTP?
Yes, we have to put an RTP for it.
दोस्तों, बाप ऑफ रिकवरी को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे के बटन को ज़रूर दबाएं और कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखें, रिकवरी एजेंट की बजाओ।
No one was picking up. Hello,
हाँ बोलिए.
can I speak to Mr. Abhishek Kumar?
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Kumar ji. This is Rishita from Axis Bank, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Kumar, what is the status about the payment of your personal loan? I can see where you have refused to do the payment out this month of your last month's payment.
Do you have some remarks?
You are going for a settlement or something like that.
What's your name first?
Rishita, Mr.
Ishita.
Abhishek. Yeah.
And you are from in-house or any third party?
We are from the collections.
Collection for what? Like Axis Bank in-house
For
employee or
Axis Bank collection.
collection? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, previously I have received multiple calls from your agents and I have informed them. that
Yeah,
Currently,
you have a...
yeah,
Yeah.
currently there is severe medical condition in my family.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason I'm not completely, engaged into right now for my job as well.
So is it
Because
medical issue of yours or mom or
no,
wife or someone else?
it is for blood relation. It is for my son.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah. So for daily basis, we have to spend around 1,000 to 1,200 rupees for hospitalization and medication. For monthly, we have to spend around 25 to 30K for
Oh,
medication. So that's the
okay.
first reason, and also I'm not, available to fulfill my job. Not even I'm justifying my salary just because of the
Mm-hmm.
medical condition. And on the other
Okay.
hand, I do have also multiple debt. I have around 40 to
Mm-hmm.
50 lakh debt going on right now with around 20 to 25 to 30 banks. I do have
Oh my
12,
God.
15 PLs and 12, 13 CCs. So
Okay.
currently they all are pending. So I told your executive previously that it will take
Mm-hmm.
around, 3 to 4 months for me to arrange funds, because I just got last option available right now, which is I have a small property, and that
Okay.
property is, allocated into our 3 to 4 brothers in family. And
Okay.
and that property, we have put it into the court to provide me my allotment, you know, my part of
Okay.
property. So,
Exactly.
yeah. So once I receive the allotment from the court, it will take 2 to 3 months.
So
And
there is no
after that,
mutual understanding or something like that, Mr. Abhishek, where your brothers can, give it to you the fund or like that?
no, because see, no one has these kinds of funds available, I do, as I
I
said, I
understand.
do not have just one account. I have multiple of them.
Mm. I
I
know.
took one loan, and to repay the first one, I took second, third, fourth, fifth. Same
Okay.
goes with credit card as well. Okay, so that is the first scenario. And I have also invested some money into the business, and that even got into the loss. So now I only have last option, which is for my property. So once I get the allotment from the court, I will sell that property, and either I will go for foreclosure or I'll go for OTS. There's only last option for me.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I have to genuinely repay, Ishita. But
Okay.
the condition right now, the current condition is my prioritized scenario is to take care of my family right now, because the medical expenses and home expenses is completely into hardship for me to manage. You understand that?
So you're only the single person who are
Yes.
earning in the house?
Right. I'm only the single person, because I have asked money from my relative and friend just to repay the minimum and stab amount in my credit card. I took around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh from my relative and friends initially when I was suffering with funds. I took money from relative and friend, and I repay minimum and stab amount into my credit card and loans. But you know, it went to default. Eventually, it converted into default, because how long a relative and friend will help you for money? One day, eventually, they're gonna tell you same thing, that we have not taken the loan. It's you. Now you have to take care of it. How long we will help?
I understand, yes.
Yeah. So just a single income. I do have a single income, and
Okay.
that first of all, I'm not even justifying my salary right now. I'm not giving my 100% into my job because of the medical condition, and just a single income.
So
I have to
anything
take care
serious
home
with your son
expenses.
or something like that, Mr. Abhishek?
Sorry,
Anything serious with your son?
it's about neurosurgeon thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, currently teenage, they use hell lot of phones. They are so much engaged into laptops and system. So due to that, there is some medical condition. I did not remember the exact name, but in the backside of head, there is something, it's called a virus. So we are right now consulting to neurosurgeon. So that's a severe medical condition.
So your kid was on the mobile every now and then during the COVID?
Yes. Because he is into studies and, like online studies and everything, attending live meeting and all. Yeah. So a day he has to spend around 10 to 12 hours into laptop and phones. So that leads to this medical condition.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I have to genuinely repay the amount. That is for sure. We have taken the loan or credit card from the company, so you have to repay it anyhow. But right now, I need some time. I don't want to give out any false commitment.
How long would you need this time?
See, as I said about the property thing, it will take at least 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I would tell you one thing, Mr. Abhishek. I would request you, if you get time, little bit, visit your loan center in Lucknow. Where do you reside in Lucknow?
It's in Inayat Nagar. I live in Inayat Nagar, Ayodhya.
Ayodhya. So if you can visit Lucknow side, RAC, Lucknow, and over there you go to the loan center and give this medical certificate of your son.
I already have sent you guys email multiple times. Around 1500 to 2000 word email attaching all the documents.
Exactly, that's what I want to tell you. I understand you have mailed them. I am requesting you to physically visit them and request them to give you a time span for 5 months at least, so that the further procedure what takes place, if your payment is not done, the collection field visit team people come in. We do not want that to be happening. So if you get time in coming 2 days time, if you have, I would really request you to please visit there and show this medical certificate to them, and also tell them that you have done multiple mailing to the customer from our Access Bank, taking the medical certification and everything over there, but there is no reward back from your end. So someone told me from the collection to come and visit you all and give you all the documentation physically, so that at least I can have a cooling period of time, because I'm unable to do the payment. I will be doing the payment, but I need a cooling period of at least nearly 4 to 5 months.
Yeah,
from them.
Right. I understand.
Visit there.
Yeah.
This is my observation after talking to you about it, understanding the medical thing. So just tell them about it. See what they are telling you, Mr. Abhishek.
Yeah, sure. See, I'll make sure if I have any time, because I'm the only one who's taking care of my kid for right now, in all the hospitalization thing. If I get any time, I'll make sure I'll get this thing
Please
done.
try visiting in coming 2 days time, at least by today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, at least.
Right, but still,
Before the upcoming
I'm
installment.
responding back on every contact
I
channel.
know. You are responding. I'm not saying no. But I'm just requesting you, because before the next installment hitting in, you will at least be, stress-free with this thing that you have visited the branch and they have given me some loop point for it.
What do you think? Is there any chances the bank will provide me any extension or moratorium?
Might. Due to medical issues of the kid, there is some reasons. You're appropriating, showing the documentations to them, everything. So obviously they will help you out with it.
For this thing, I also have one loan with Tata Capital, and literally one of the regional head visited at my home, and physically I have showed him the documents and everything. So this is the condition I am suffering with, and he literally said no, that we cannot do anything. I told him, see, before taking the loan, you don't know what is the prediction of your future.
I know that. That is what I was just going to tell you the same thing. The prediction is never, sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad. Yes. So I
but I have gone through with the same situation with multiple banks and financial institutions, and they all said no. So there is no any positive response from any of the financial institution. I have did the same thing what you are telling me.
Try your end with Access.
Sorry?
Try your end with the Access Bank. I think they will give it to you. If not, then you tell them I want to speak to the nodal officer. I'm ready to do the payment out. Only just I want a cooling period where my land is going on sale. Once my land goes on sale, the legal documentation gets over up. I will surely come and pay all the fund out.
But I think the cooling period or the grace period you're talking about, it is only for the initial at least 30 DPD once you bounce the EMI. Apart from that,
it is going to be 30 now?
Yeah, like apart from that, if you want more time for about 4 to 5 months. So I don't believe in unsecured.
I don't think so. But
because I'm a teacher, and in my family itself there is many probationary officers and clerk. I do give out training and institution about IBPS PO. So I know a bit of banking. But still, if you're telling me, I'll make sure I'll go and give it a try. But let's see. You are the banker,
try
right?
Your best.
So see, I have given you the response. You can kindly put a remark from your side.
I have remarked it out over here. That you will not be able to pay the payment in the next 12 months. And due to medical of the son's health issue, you are unable to do the payment out.
So what do you put, RTP?
Yes, we have to put an RTP for it. I will speak to my senior also for RTP, and give you a scenario also. And you have mailed them multiple times also to the bank.
Right.
So we will also share this documentation with our higher authorities
Superiors.
also. Yes. And they will also have a check on the mails, what you have done to them.
Yeah, see, now next year, 2025, January, February, March, JFM, we got financial closing of every bank. I will make sure that if I can arrange, some availability of funds, so we can go for OTS maybe next year till Feb to March. I'll try my hard, but still, I've given you the response. You maintain the remark, and I'll make sure I do take care of this visit thing if possible. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, Ishita.
Okay, fine. Not an issue.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
And don't worry, your son will be all fine.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.